Hi. Hi, Martha here. Martha from Monterey, California. Okay, I have two jokes for you. All right, here's a hint. And these beautiful butterfly wings came from my neighbor Kate. So I have two butterfly jokes, okay? All right, joke number one. Why did Betty throw butter out of the window? Betty wanted to see butter fly. Okay, here's joke number two. I went to a desk, but butterfly wasn't there. I went to a dance, but butterfly wasn't there. Do you know why? It was a moth ball. It was a moth ball. Okay, butterfly wasn't there. Well, I hope you enjoyed those two butterfly jokes. If you have any butterfly jokes, please leave them below, okay? Butterfly. Bye. And thank you, neighbor Kate, for my beautiful wings. Bye-bye, butterfly.